How to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper wallet to Bitget. In order to do this, you first need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet, and over here you need to simply scroll down a bit and tap on USDT. After that, you need to tap on the send option, and then it will ask you to provide the address or the name. So in order to get the address, you need to launch your Bitget mobile application, then tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, tap on the add funds option and select the option of deposit crypto. Now use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Once you find Tether USDT, you need to simply tap on it, and in the network you need to select the Ton network. After that, it will show you the QR code and the deposit address, so you need to copy that from here. Then you need to come back to your Tonkeeper wallet and paste the address in this section. Afterwards, in the comments you can type anything and press continue in the bottom. On the next page, you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer from your Tonkeeper wallet to the Bitget wallet. Once done, you just have to simply confirm your transaction, and once your transaction is completed, you will receive your USDT to your Bitget account from Tonkeeper wallet. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.